So, you want to create a chain using Blender. Start by pressing Shift-A, go to Mesh, and add a torus. In the Add Torus settings, slightly increase the minor radius to make the link thicker. Enter Edit Mode and enable X-Ray in the viewport. Select half of the torus and move it along the X-axis to open the link. Then right-click and choose Shade Smooth. Next, duplicate the link, move the duplicate to the right, and rotate it 90 degrees so it interlocks with the first link. Select both links and press Ctrl-J to join them into a single object. Go to the Modifiers tab and add an Array Modifier. Reduce the relative offset on the X-axis slightly and increase the count to extend the chain. If you want the chain to follow a specific path, create a curve. In the Array Modifier, change the fit type to Fit Curve and select your curve in the Curve Object field. The chain will now follow the shape of the curve. If you want to animate the chain, there is another method. Starting again with the first link, press Alt-D to create a linked duplicate. Move it to the right and rotate it 90 degrees so it interlocks with the previous link. Repeat this process until the chain reaches the desired length. Select the first link and go to the Physics Properties tab. Add a rigid body, enable animated, and set the collision shape to mesh. Next, select the second chain link, then shift-select the rest of the links. Add a rigid body to them as well, again setting the collision shape to mesh. Then go to Object, Rigid Body, and choose Copy from Active. Now when you press play on the timeline, the chain will simulate with gravity. You can also move the first link to control the entire chain, and that's it.